Welcome to Cloudairy, Task Creation and Detail Input. Let's start with the task board. On the left sidebar, click Tasks. You'll see a clear Kanban board. Open any task ticket and set your priority: urgent, high, medium, or low. After that, you can set the task status: to do, in progress, or completed. Set your deadlines, due dates, and assign your team members. Define your task estimate time as per the task timeline and easily and quickly set up your task dependencies. You can also add a quick description to provide clarity. To create a new subtask, just click the plus icon under Subtask column. Add a title, set a priority, assign it to a team member, and choose a due date. And set status: to do, and save your task. From here, insert custom fields like version number or module, and you can add task checklists. For example, you can add heading and IT checklist, hero section, pricing section, and asking team member. You can see task activities in real time. Use the comment section to tag teammates or task and update status. As you update tasks, changes sync in real time across the board. Simply drag and drop to move a task from one stage to the next, just like that. Calendar and view options. In Calendar View, you can filter tasks, assign, priority, and status. In Timeline View, apply the same filters. See tasks distributed along a timeline for better planning, priority, and status. Drag the task node to adjust deadlines. See tasks distributed along a timeline for better planning. In Gantt View, visualize all task dependencies clearly, and using drag and drop node any task dependencies. In List View, see your entire board in a structured list format, and edit or view task details. In Table View, you can also edit or view task details. Thanks for watching. Keep building smarter with Cloudairy.